Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss interesting concept how to find a height of any object, a height of a tall building or a tall tree. Uh, Especially we can find the tall building, for example, the Burj Khalifa. If you want to know the height of the Burj Khalifa, we have several methods to find out, and using physics we have some interesting and easy way to find the answer. Okay, and here I am not going to discuss about the answer. I just give you the question, and then give you some time to you to think, and the next video I will upload the answer, and we will discuss it in brief. Okay, here a diagram is given, and it is not the scaled diagram. You can see I have given a building and then the height that we have to find out, and just a distractor at 3 5 meters. Just a distractor, just to give a clue for you. It's not an actual height, actually it's not a 5 meter, just I gave you to as a distractor. Okay, now you are going to find out the height of the building. Okay, now you can see here I have given few instruments for you to think that you have a ball. Okay, you can place a ball like here, just near closer to the top of the building, and the next device is here, the ruler, and the third device is given for you a stopwatch, and fourth one is a rope. Okay, so you can use any of these device, but you have to explain how the way you find the top of the building, the height of the building. Okay, that is given. Use any of the given devices, but write your view of finding the result. Just you have to just tell your view, the way you uh, use to find the height of the building. Okay, and then I know many of my friends and students will know this answer, but there are many who will explore this, and then they will come up with the answers. So we will discuss this all in the next video. Thank you very much for watching, and please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.